too. So if you guys have filed bankruptcy, your life is not over. Like, your life is not over. I've seen people that filed bankruptcy, got the bankruptcy removed, got their accounts removed. You guys can actually do it. So what I tell people is just start building your credit as soon as possible. Whenever you can start building your credit, start building your credit. There's a lot of accounts out there that would actually approve you even right after your bankruptcy. So I just tell people start building your credit right away, and do not be overextended. If you know you were bad with credit cards, don't get a lot of credit cards that you cannot pay off. Now, let's go ahead and look at some of those credit cards. So I have some bankruptcy friendly credit cards on my list on allthingsrickita.com. So let's go ahead. I have some bankruptcy friendly accounts here. So I always tell people definitely get the self. You can get a self account, their installment account, and you can get their Visa after 3 months. If you guys have that $48 a month plan, you guys can get that one after 3 months. Also, get that credit builder card. It's a secure card. They're not going to check your credit at all. They're going to start reporting to the credit bureau, and you're able to get 2 of them too. So I like that one. I also tell people to you could get the credit strong account, but to me that self is good, and then that kickoff is also a good account. The credit strong account is like you paying too much, and it's extended for a longer period of time. I don't want you guys to get an account where you're inconsistent in paying, and now you're going to be inconsistent with paying this one. It's going to just destroy your credit. Also get that kickoff account. Credit One Bank is good for approving you right after bankruptcy. So definitely get that one. You can pre-qualify for the Patelco credit card, so definitely check that one out. Capital One is good for approving you right after a bankruptcy. Navy Federal, you can try to see if they can give you an account. Usually you have to wait some, and then they'll give you an account. Open Skies, no credit check. It's a secure credit card. So definitely check that one out. First Progress is a secure credit card. You can check that one out. It's no credit check for either of those. And also the Applied Bank credit cards, no credit check at all for that. Also check out the Prosper credit card. And then too, the Best Egg loan is also good. If you have had a bankruptcy before, you can pre-qualify for that credit card without for that loan without a hard inquiry. And also the Two More credit card, they're going to just look at your banking history and they'll be able to approve you. But even if you had bankruptcy before, it is not over. Go ahead to my website, All Things Rickita, or go to Rickita.com and look at the accounts that you can get and start removing any negative accounts that you have on your credit reports. Especially because a lot of these accounts are inaccurate. Remove those accounts from your credit reports, and then your credit score